So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some things that I ordered online, and I'm also going to give reviews on it. So let's get started. So the first item that I ordered was washi tapes, and honestly when I saw it I thought it was quite small because in the photo it showed that it was quite big, but then I felt it was quite convenient and I felt it was really cute. So yeah. First of all, I loved the way they packed and presented, and I felt like the presentation was like really aesthetic and attractive. And bubble wrapping, everyone knows it's a very fun process, but I think it's really important that your item is wrapped around the bubble wrap a lot of times, because in that way you won't have any damage caused to your order during the journey. So the next item that I ordered was a 48 pack of dual brush pens, and dual means you get a fat tip and even a thin tip in one pen itself. Also, I bought this portable plastic sealer, and I was actually in search of it, but I didn't find it anywhere. So my last option was to buy it online, and I got it in this pack. But when I actually used this, it didn't work. I tried on every plastic and it didn't work. And these were the type of cells that came with it. So I thought maybe I once again try with this on as well, and it still didn't work. So I thought maybe my method was wrong. That's why I went to YouTube to search if this actually worked for other people as well. But to my surprise, many of them gave reviews that this actually didn't work. They buy 2 or 3 of these and it still didn't work. Otherwise, you know, it worked for some. I don't know how it worked for them, but I thought this is a total waste. I'll also try different methods if it works. And yeah, I think it was a total waste of money. Thought to share it with you guys, though this is not really related to stationery, but you know, it's a really cool thing. I was really looking forward to this, but it didn't work. It wasn't quite expensive as well, so I didn't feel a lot sad about it. But still, you know, when you buy an item, you want it to work, you know, it's for a good purpose. So yeah.